Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290L1 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive 2.2 TDCi 155ps Low Roof Limited Van Spares OR Repairs Top Spec Open Mouth Smile Bargain of the Day. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 165,814. MOT, 19 January 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 155ps TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo is fully seized and will need replacing, we thoroughly checked the engine. Which sounds completely fine grin. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric window.